Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How bright are my eyes right now? I'm so excited. It's so fun and colorful and bright. And I don't think I've ever done a bright hot pink look here on my channel. I know it's not super wearable, but it's so much fun to create, so I was still gonna do it no matter what. I did one time do a look just for fun and posted it over on my Instagram, and it happened to be the same exact color combination as this look. I don't know what it is about a hot pink paired with a mint. I just love it. I feel like it reminds me of bubble gum or something. So that's what I wanted to do today. And I used the new BH Take Me to Ibiza palette. Oh my god. Oh my god. The only reason why I did such a bright, colorful look was because of this palette. Look at all the shades. I really wanted to use like all these teals and blues, but I was like, no. I want to do something really, really fun and different and use this palette. So that is what I did today. I did this look. I hope that you guys enjoy. And if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Ibiza palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is this light pink shadow. So I'm first going in with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, and I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease. You're not really going to see it, but it's going to act as a transition shade to apply that brighter pink and help make it a little bit more blendable and easier to blend. I'm now going into this bright hot pink. This color is so bright and pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm first going to just kind of push that shadow into my crease and then start doing sideways windshield wiper motions to start bringing that shadow in to the inner corner and blend. I'm now going to apply a little bit more of that shadow through the crease to kind of intensify the color and make sure that it's really nice and opaque. I feel like with this shadow you have to do that a few times because I don't apply too much in the beginning, so it's obviously better to apply a little bit and then build your way up rather than applying a lot and not being able to take it off. And now I'm just picking up that light pink once again and blending that at the very high point of my crease to diffuse this and make sure that's really blended out. Now for my lid, I'm picking up this shimmery hot pink. So I picked this shadow up on my finger. I just find that they apply way better with your fingers. So I'm going to start applying this all across my lid. And if you get fallout like I did, just quickly brush that away so it doesn't stain your cheeks pink. I'm now picking up this shimmery pinky purple. And then I kind of want to just pat over this shade a little bit over top, kind of just to add a little bit of dimension and a little bit of a different hue to the look. And then just blend lightly through the crease. Now picking up that light pink shadow on my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm going to start smoking that shadow out on my lower lash line. And then with my E15 flat definer brush, I'm applying this hot pink, brighter pink that we applied through my crease very, very close to my lash line. To line my lash line, I'm picking up this black. And then I want to just quickly line my lash line with a little bit of this black shadow, just to kind of add a little bit more depth and dimension to my lashes and give a little bit of separation from the pink from my lash line. For my inner corner, I'm picking up this matte mint shadow. With my Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm going to pat this shadow on in the inner corner right here. It's such a pretty shadow. Oh my god, I love it. I'm now going into this shimmery duochrome white blue. Now using my pinky just to apply this highlight shade right over top of that to really brighten it and add a nice highlight. To line my waterline, I'm going to the Makeup Forever Aqua XL eye pencil in M-30. And now I'm going to line my waterline, and it's also going to help separate that pink from the lower lash line. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going into these Romanova Makeup Baby Girl lashes in Daria. And that's the eye look done. So I'm going to keep my lips nude, obviously, but not really like nude. I kind of want to do like a soft light pink nude. So I'm first going to line my lips with this MAC lip pencil in Edge to Edge. And now over top and to fill in my lips, I'm going to go into this Lancome Matte Shaker in Nude and Roses. It's so cute. I love the shade, so you have to shake it. And then when you open it up, the product is right there. It's so cute. So now I'm just going to apply this. And that's it. There's the completed look of my hot pink and mint smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm obsessed with how bright and colorful it is. I honestly just want to wear this inner corner for the rest of my life. I love, love, love a mint on the inner corner. I don't know what it is about it, and it matches my nails. And I really quickly wanted to mention that this Lancome Matte Shaker is so pretty. The shade is beautiful, matched so perfectly to lip liner, and they feel amazing going on. They feel so lightweight and hydrating, and they last such a long time, and I'm in love with the lip combination right now. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And if you want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma and all the other brushes I use will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!